pass in 30 minutes, and I don't know if I'll catch you.
Got a bottle of wine.
It's also probably haunted.
You ride a pink motorcycle? That's kind of weird. I'll tell you what, let's go riding. If you can keep me in sight for a mile, that's good. Otherwise, you just got worked by a dude on a pink bike.
Yeah. All-American Diner, baby. Oh, this is all the ghosts that live in here.
Just try to get to the next town. So the wine here is all right.
Putting out Odin rain gear on.
Thanks, Odin.
We're gonna need it today. There's a massive storm right there coming our way. Feeling it today. It's day 4. Bodies are starting to, fatigue starting to kick in a little bit, you'd say?
I was a little tired when we woke up today.
Yeah, we'll see where we end up today. We have a direction we want to go. We want to hit the, what is it, the Lincoln Highway? Yeah. Matt's been talking about the Lincoln Highway for a while. It's kind of like how I was talking about Monument Valley. Matt really wanted to hit that, so we're gonna
see if it's worth it. I'm not, obviously I've never been on it, but we'll see if it's worth doing. If it's not, we can always jump off. But I
sounds
mean,
cool.
It looks cool. I feel like it's gonna be worth it, so.
Bikes are a little bit dirty. It's because we rode through the Rocky Mountains.
I gotta adjust my throttle. It started sticking. It's stuck in the open position right now. So, gotta fix that.
That's not good.
All right, so we just stopped in at Mile High Harley-Davidson just to check out the place and get a card to see if they're interested in wholesale. So yeah, we're gonna send our catalog along and see if they want to do it. So if anybody wants to see us in Mile High Harley, leave a comment, let them know. Thanks, guys. Time to get this AG1 in me, get the morning started properly. I am not good at pouring these travel packs in here though. I shouldn't even say I'm not good at it. It's just, this shit is, it's hard, man. It's hard not spilling anything. It just blows in the wind. Gotta get every little bit in there that you can. Get our, I guess, vitamins for the day. Gotta stay healthy, right? Drink this. Now I won't feel as bad if I have to eat McDonald's or something on the side of the road.
A few minutes later.
We're basically in the middle of nowhere. We're still in Colorado, I think, right?
We're on the edge of Colorado and I guess Kansas or something. I don't think we're gonna be able to take the Lincoln because the storm is going northeast, and that's the way we need to go to get up to the Lincoln. So we gotta go south and just take the interstate, I guess, or else we're gonna get stuck in the storm. So
yeah, we like rode through hail. Couldn't see anything. It was pretty dicey. I think the smartest move, and it's not what we want to do because we wanted to take the Lincoln, is just jump south and just try to avoid this storm because it's not good.
That looks bad. How's it going?
It's going good. Dan.
I'm Matt. No, I won't forget you.
He's saying if we're not in a rush, there's a motorcycle museum in the middle of nowhere in Kansas.
Oh,
He said it could be a cool little spot to stay too.
Sick.
St. Francis motorcycle. My stuff's barely working right now. And you're set up.
I'm very, very pleased. You know, I've had a million motorcycles in my life.
Yeah.
And I used to be a dealer, you know, so I've ridden everything.
Yeah.
And I'm a sport bike guy, you know.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah.
This is the most, and I'm getting old too, but it's the best motorcycle I've ever ridden.
Wow.
As far as being good at what it's meant to do. Yeah, you kind of got to be an old fart.
Yeah. I've already got the, I got the bagger, so I'm already built.
That's all right. I've got a pink Triumph too, so
Oh,
that balances it out. It's
Wow.
funny too.
Okay.
Guys will go, "You ride a pink motorcycle? That's kind of weird." I'll tell you what, let's go riding. If you can keep me in sight for a mile, that's good. Otherwise, you just got worked by a dude on a pink bike.
Yeah, fair enough.
Well, they said, the radio said it's north of here,
Yeah.
and it's gonna pass in 30 minutes, and I don't know if I'll catch you. I'm headed that way, but I'm not going in that shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait.
We were just up further north. It was pretty bad. We got stuck in some hail earlier too.
I mean, that looks better there.
Yeah.
We just hit it and just try to get to the next town.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.
Landon, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're gonna put him in the vlog.
It's good to meet all you guys.
Hell yeah, brother. Thanks for
Appreciate you, man.
following. Here goes nothing.
All right, we got a little update. We just got to Stratton, Colorado, and we're staying at the Claremont Inn. It's like a little winery. It's almost like a bed and breakfast type place.
It's also probably haunted. It's like a movie of like they're gonna come and eat us at the middle of the night because there's no one else staying here. It looks like that I've seen. Yeah.
It's haunted, but it's pretty cool. Like a couple chairs to hang out. There's a movie theater in here. There's a lot of stuff. We're gonna go. There's a lot of stuff to explore, and again, this is a winery, so I'm gonna have some wine. So that should be fun. We just found the movie room. Look at this. I gotta say, if we're gonna get stranded somewhere, this is the most interesting place. Like, look at it. We can make popcorn. We're gonna like kick back. We're gonna watch a movie tonight.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go check out this other room. They
We
told
almost
us.
rode through a tornado, so.
They told us any doors that are open we can go in. I think it's haunted though.
Yeah, but like, we gotta embrace it. This place is cool. I think this place is cool. Maybe the people are checking in later.
Maybe it's cookies for the ghost.
It's like a peace offering because maybe it's like it roams the hallways in the basement.
Yeah, it probably does, dude. Like,
Dude, this is so cool. Look at this. You look at. Come on. This is better than a travel lodge. Look at all the VHS. We're finding a movie tonight.
see, this is all haunted people. This is all the ghosts that live in here. These are all people that died in here.
Maybe.
I think we're in the eye of the storm because they just issued like another severe thunder watch for this area.
Tornado warning again, wasn't it?
No, that one was a thunder watch. Oh, there's like flooding. There's thunder.
We don't know.
But it looks nice, but I don't know. It's 4 o'clock. We've been riding a decent amount today.
We also haven't eaten lunch, so we're gonna go to Handy's, get your grub on, and get ourselves. I'm gonna get a burger. Dan's gonna get some tots. So let's try it out.
How are you guys?
What are you doing?
Good.
We got a big burger.
First meal of the day. All American Diner, baby.
Yeah. Let's get a bite in. So I've been hanging out with a couple of the staff here at this winery. Everybody's been super nice. A couple of guys here ride. Super cool. So we've been talking motorcycles. Got a bottle of wine, so I'll get into that soon. Crack this open soon and see where the night takes us. I got into the wine a little bit. So the wine here is all right. We're just hanging in the room right now because the only room they had has one king bed. There's 2 of us. They were at least nice enough to give us a room that we have a couple chairs and we can hang out in.
I feel like the footage, like the GoPro, is not going to do justice.
It's
that
not.
Last
It's not.
clip of us ripping. It was so windy. Matt's bike was literally like this the whole time. The gusts of winds were coming, blowing us all over the place. Clouds were so
crazy.
low, going so fast, and there was a tornado warning.
Yeah, it's weird because we've ridden in lots of rain before. You know, even when we were riding in the hail, it didn't feel as bad. That last 15 minutes, I don't know how to describe it, and I don't think the camera can capture it, but like it felt like we were in like a dome of just this, I don't know, cloud, and like something was just like covering us. It's really hard to explain, but I've never felt that before.
No, I'll ride in rain any day. That's
Oh, yeah.
fine.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like the thunderstorm and tornado warning that kind of sketched me out.
Yeah, it was just something about that ride, like the weather here, it was just different. Like the big open plains that we were in, we were able to see like sunlight, but then you just see blackness, but the clouds and the sky is just moving all around you. Like it's something unlike anything I've ever seen. So. But anyways, we're hanging out for the night. All right. Well, we should maybe close it out now. All right. So here we go. Dan.
See you in the next one. Like and subscribe. This was day 4 on the road, heading back to Toronto on custom Harley-Davidsons. Who knows how long it's gonna take? Maybe we'll go to the Harley Museum. That we just thought about that now. We'll see where the road takes us.
Should we go to the Harley Museum?